Lord knows I can't sing, but luckily I just got some credits from the Smule app. So today, as a Smule VIP, I'll be choosing from the millions of songs they have available to bring you a musical masterpiece.
Okay, let's find a nice one. Dang, already got me sounding good. Yeah, turn it up. Here we go. Yeah. Dang, got me sounding fire. Here we go. Thought I found a way. Thought I found a way, yeah. But you never go away. So I guess I gotta stay now. Oh, I hope someday I'll make it out of here. Bro, do y'all hear me? This is crazy. Go download that app. I sound just like them, dude. Oh my gosh, this is crazy.